Hello, and thank you so much for being here today. My name is Cameron, and ever since I was a kid, I've loved two things, sports and fitness and computers. So after spending the last 15 years helping thousands of people transform their health in the fitness industry, I'm finally leaning into my second passion of computers, specifically full stack software development. When I lived in Winnipeg, I participated in recreational basketball and curling leagues. So when I moved to Toronto, I wanted to continue playing, but after moving to a new city where I was unfamiliar and didn't know anybody, I had a hard time navigating this process. Most sports leagues websites are hard to find, difficult to navigate, and the registration process is different for each. This can also be very intimidating when you're joining solo after relocating like I was. So with my newly minted full stack development knowledge, I set out to build a better way. Allow me to introduce you to RecLeague. RecLeague makes it easy for anyone to find, join, and even manage a recreational sports league. For this application, I used a number of different technologies, including the front end being built with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Sass, and React. The back end server and API was built with Node, Express, and Axios. The authentication and authorization uses JSON Web Tokens, and the database was built using mySQL and Knex.js. All right, let's take a look at RecLeague. So you see, as soon as you get here, you're greeted with a nice minimalistic landing page. You can search for whichever city and league you like, and you're greeted with the results, okay? At any time, you can also click on the All Leagues, and you can get a list of all the leagues that are currently registered and set up inside of RecLeague. And then if we click on any one of these ones, it takes us over to the league details page, which shows us a nice big map, which is dynamically displayed using the Google Maps API, and then the information for that particular league. If we want to join, we're told to log in if we would like to join. So let's go ahead and do that. We're brought over to a login page. If we don't have an account, we can click here and set one up, upload a profile picture, put our details in. But since I already have an account, let's just go ahead and we'll log in with this one. So as soon as we log in, we're greeted with a really beautiful profile page here. And the first thing you'll notice is that it is fully responsive. So from mobile view all the way up to tablet view, and then all the way up to a desktop view. Fully responsive for all viewports. And you have a nice profile page here with all of your information. You can click to edit your profile and edit whatever information you need to. And then you can see which leagues you are in, so which leagues you've currently joined, as well as the leagues that you manage. So these would be the leagues that you have set up as a league organizer or manager. So if we go over to the leagues that you're in, if we just click on this one here, we see that it's notifying me that I am a member of that league. If I were to go to a league that I'm not a member for, say this one here, no, I'm a member of that one. If I go to a league that I'm not a member of, say this one here, you can see that I'm greeted with this join league. So I can click on that. I can say, yes, I'd like to join and submit. So you see that automatically updates that badge to now I'm a member and it updates that profile page. Now you can also see here, I have a manager tag up here. So that manager tag shows me that I am the league manager for this particular league, and it gives me some more access. So I can see who the league members are in that league, which I'm the only member as of right now, but it also shows I can edit this league. So I can edit the details of the league if I so desire, and that only shows up on the leagues that I am a manager for. So if I come over here to a league that I'm not the manager of, you see I don't have that access, I don't have that information. Whereas if I come over and I go into another league that I manage here, I can see this league has a few more members in it, and I can actually click on the email address to open my mail client and send those people an email if I need to. And then when I'm done with that, I just come over here, I click log out, and it brings me back over to the login page here. So for future developments, I would like to add a teams functionality so you could register a team, see which teams are in each league, who's looking for players, and even message teams directly. I would then integrate the Stripe API for checkout and payment processing of league fees and improve the search functionality. And finally, I'd build out a full league admin dashboard where league organizers could actually manage all aspects of the league, including payments, scheduling, and other administrative tasks. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or would just like to say hi, I'd love to connect with you either on LinkedIn over here, which you can scan the QR code to connect on LinkedIn, or on my GitHub, or at CameronMakerchuk.com.